Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this carbon fiber USA approved pickleball paddle and all the information that you need to know about it. So the first thing is, yes, it's made out of carbon fiber, but let's get into some measurements of exactly how much it weighs and the dimensions. All right, total length from end to end, you're at 16 and a half inches. The actual paddle itself is right at 11 inches from the top here right to where the grip starts. And then you pretty much have about, I don't know, about 10 inches or so on the inside section. Then you have total width on this right at 7.5. And the total thickness, which is important to some, is right at out 3/4 of an inch thick. The handle grip area itself, where it's wrapped, is right at 5.5 inches. It's only 8.2 ounces. And it's wrapped pretty good in this it's like a rubber type wrapping on it. I mean, it's got some good grip to it. Now, one thing that was a little bit different with this pickleball paddle that I've never seen before or felt before is that the material, it's got a little bit of a grip to it. It's kind of hard to see, and I think this is because of the carbon fiber. So that can be, the carbon fiber is, you kind of see it, can kind of be picked up by the camera, but it's sort of rough, like very mild, and it's not like sandpaper rough, not like grip tape rough, but it's got a little of an edge to it, which is, it's kind of coarse, for lack of a better word. And that definitely helps when using this, because when you go to hit it, especially if you're trying to get some backspin on the ball, it's going to grip it just a little bit more. It's not going to slip. It's going to grab it a little bit more. That was a nice little pleasant surprise. The graphics on there are pretty cool. You know, if you're looking to have something a little bit different on the court. Another cool thing, just from a travel standpoint, is it does come with its own protective travel case. This is like a neoprene, almost like a wetsuit type material. It's kind of thick, kind of squishy. Definitely has some padding to it. It fits right in there, zips up, nice, neat. Also has a handle as well. I mean, if you're, rolling up to the court, you're just like, yo, check me out, and you pull out, the carbon fiber, which maybe somebody's not expecting. So very, very cool, very light, surprisingly light. And again, the finish on this, I think, is what makes it a little bit different, or maybe a lot different than other pickleball paddles, because I've never seen that before. And definitely, as soon as I put my hand on it, I was like, oh, that kind of feels different. It's got a little bit of a grip to it. So now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give an honest review, some honest feedback about our pickleball paddle. Hopefully all that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.